And speaking of mysterious, here we go. 548 different examples here in the United States that have been shared with me. And guys, I haven't even put a dent in all of the videos that have been sent in, approaching 1,400 globally. This is a worldwide phenomena that's not being talked about by the mainstream news. Here's a video that goes back to May 14th by email admin. Was sitting in a parking lot and happened to notice a couple of lights flickering in this parking lot. They all weren't flickering, but they all weren't on. The two that were on were indeed flickering. Here's example number 2 sent in by Amber Lee from May 15th out of Utah Lake, Utah. Check this out. Goes up, unscrews it, screws it back in, unscrews it, screws it back in, still flickers. Something appears to be interfering with the flow of electricity, possibly causing yet another major power outage in southeast France. Here we're going to Vancouver, Washington. Video footage sent in by Shell from 5/13 of 2025. Bathroom light malfunctioning. You never know when or where this is going to show up. It's rogue and random. I've seen it myself traveling down the freeway. We've ran across entire sections, at least a half a mile long, if not longer, of street lights at night that were completely off and they're normally on. Gino, not sure of the location, May 15th of 2025. Noticed a light there. Across the street. Even more across the street. Are you serious right now? So common logic would tell you that those aren't bulbs that all of a sudden mysteriously started to malfunction at the same time. There has to be something going on with the flow of electricity. I mean, this is getting way out of hand. Rhino out of Grantville, Pennsylvania. Another big parking lot, a little bit foggy, kind of an eerie setting here. You've got row after row after row of mysterious flashing lights. You got to ask yourself, what is going on? And this is going on all around the world. People are starting to notice it on cars. They're noticing it on their computers, their smartphones. Here's an example out of Paris, Tennessee, sent in by Jamie, May 16th of 2025. The only light on the building was flashing, malfunctioning, however you want to describe it, for unknown reasons. It wasn't supposed to be flashing. Example number 7, Jerry Allen, May 13th of 2025, was sitting at an intersection and happened to notice 2 lights on the corner of that building flickering for unknown reasons. Example number 8, here we go. Florissant, Missouri, Joseph, May 13th of 2025. The lights were purple, so purple, they were causing the buildings in the plaza to glow purple. Are you serious right now? You're going to see several more right there in the distance glowing purple, and then some more over here causing the parking lot to glow purple. I know there's some sort of a faulty component in these bulbs that goes bad, but the bigger mystery is, why are they all going bad at the same time? And guys, coming up, I've got more incredible examples of flashing lights, yet another entire household flashing for unknown reasons.